This is that boom bap straight from the boondocks. This is new crack coming out your boombox. This is ground up yelling from the rooftop. Ha, yeah, and this is that Dutch getting sparked with a big light. This is feeling alive around midnight. You want a fist fight, cause I got his bitch like.
Yeah, this is that late night get right, smoking your windpipe, grab a girl, grip tight, lay back music. This is that hot.
Alright, I'm Alex.
I'm Jake. And I'm Yusuf Nazar.
And this is the Egg Challenge.
Yo, engineer, I think I lost my motherfucking mind, man. Diabolic, foul play. We taking over the motherfucking game. I remember being on my mama's porch, a kid with rotten thoughts, tossing tomahawks at kids to knock them off they rocking horse. Now I'm at war, connecting cops to electric shock treatment, and I'm not leaving till they eyes pop bleeding and hearts stop beating. The whole cop precinct thinks I should be in a padded room when they the bastards who fuck Louima in the ass with brooms. I travel through and kill the mothers of these savage goons, fill the house with gas and fumes, lighting up a match like boom. On the crime scene they'll have the cameras zoomed at every massive wound I left when I stabbed the womb with plastic spoons. And now the planet's doomed, cause this afternoon I was pissing out the sun's flames with guns aimed at the moon. Cats assume I'm cracking jokes, but I ain't laughing folks. I'd slash your throat for a pack of smokes if my ass is broke. Stashing coke, staying cool, I ain't no nervous wreck. I earn respect, burning purple cess during urine tests. I flirt with certain death, attacking for some fame and fortune. With some raging swordsmen, torching who's on stage performing. Take this chloroform and pour it on some fresh linen. Gag you, have your head spinning, tied up like the 10th inning. Breadwinning, I sex women, slap the chaperone, take her in the back to bone, and tape it on my camera phone. I have the throne, hard as granite stone, the illest rapper known inside New York's catacombs, underground, cause that's my home. I think I lost my mind, I'm about to cross the line, start a riot, kill a cop, and just toss the nine. I'm hungry all the time, pain is all I find. Fuck my music, I'ma lose it, I don't wanna rhyme. I think I lost my mind, I'm about to cross the line, start a riot, kill a cop, and just toss the nine. I'm hungry all the time, pain is all I find. Fuck my music, I'ma lose it, I don't wanna rhyme. From mom's colon, possessed by the ghost of Lamont Coleman. Now Sean's flowing like hemoglobin through a hole in Ron Goldman. I be slapping jaws, bitches I be stabbing broads, tapping more than a Jehovah's Witness knocking at your door. Smashing whores, banging in the car like 808s, more semen than a naval base, skeeting on their facial traits. Me and my label mates don't need a watch from Jacob's Place to make a take a taste and add devil's horns to an angel face. Ain't have to be amazed, I be up in CMJ with bitches on their knees to pray, swallowing my DNA, drunk chugging E&J, dodging pigs, driving Fords. I see more holding cells than salesmen at Verizon stores. Iron core, hard as nails, raised inside a garbage pail. Could've went to Harvard, Yale, or Princeton, but chose to market sales. The end is near, I sense your fear, cause me an engineer guzzled Everclear and sabotaged the Western Hemisphere. They sent us here when I stepped in hell with Jezebels, pressed at 12 and heaven fell every time my record sells. I'll be dead or left in jail before I be the next to fail. Other cats don't measure well like ounces on a metric scale. My train of thoughts pay the cost and never take a loss, make you a decaying corpse and laugh through my day in court. Don't play it off like I won't run a razor straight across your throat till there's tomato sauce spraying towards your neighbor's porch. I think I lost my mind, I'm about to cross the line, start a riot, kill a cop, and just toss the nine. I'm hungry all the time, pain is all I find. Fuck my music, I'ma lose it, I don't wanna rhyme. I think I lost my mind, I'm about to cross the line, start a riot, kill a cop, and just toss the nine. I'm hungry all the time, pain is all I find. Fuck my music, I'ma lose it, I don't wanna rhyme.